So the first one is detecting loop, and I'll consider it's like 5-star. The probability of this question coming in the video is very high. If you go for 5 interviews and if they have to ask question from the linked list, I think this is the first thing that they will ask you in the interview in the linked list question. This is a very common question, but at the same time, it is very, very, very important because the chances of it's coming again in the interview is very high. We'll talk about what is the loop in a linked list. So, for example, so the loop means I have this 1, then this I have the 2, then I have 3, then I have 4, then I have 5, and then it goes to 2. So basically, it is a head node. This is the head, and after this, it goes like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. So this has a loop. So this internal structure is a loop, right? So the first question that comes up is that check if loop exists. Can you guys think of anything? How will you find if a linked list has a loop or not?
Yeah, by taking 2 pointer. So one will move 2 steps forward and second pointer will move 1 step.
So basically we take 2 pointer. One pointer is, so one it jumps here, then it jumps here, then it jumps here, right? Another pointer which jumps 2 steps. It jumps here, then it jumps here, right? Like this. Make sense?
Yes.
And the smaller one will also keep on jumping like this. This will come jump like this. This will come jump like this. Like this, it will keep on jumping, right? So this is suppose 1, second jump. This is third jump. This is fourth, and this is fifth jump. And this is the first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, and then it again does a fifth jump, right? So I see that after the fifth jump, right, they have met at a 0.6. So since both have met at a 0.6, this is only possible when they all are running in circular loop, right? Because for example, suppose there are 2 person, person 1 speed is twice the speed of yours, right? And if you both are running, if it is a single straight line, right, the 2 person will never meet, right? They will only meet if it is a circular loop, when the fast person will again come back, right? If the 2 pointer, one is moving at the speed 2v, another is moving at the speed v, if they are moving or converging at one point, it means that there is a loop exists. So what we can do is that we can start from the head, run 2 pointers, one which moves at 2 steps at a time, another which moves 1 step at a time, and if they meet, then I say that the loop exists. Make sense?
Yeah.
Write the code for this as an assignment. Okay? Write the code for this. Make sense, guys? What you have to do, you have given a head and you have to figure it out whether the loop is there or not. The concept I have already told you, you have to just implement it in the language of your choice. Make sense?
Yes.
Perfect.